Wow, mostly I'm known because of actionCoach, which is my company that coaches businesses in 75 countries. We have just over 1,000 offices around the world doing that. That plus building a lot of my own companies is probably what, and maybe writing all 16 of these books back here.
You're here on a tour on the ABC Islands. Can you tell us a little bit about the Billionaire Tour?
Well, the Billionaire Tour is designed to help business people learn how to create real wealth through their business, to create an asset, to create a business that works so they don't have to. Most people in business are really good at the job of the business. You know, like a locksmith would be great at picking locks, but not necessarily great at the running of the business. So it's really about teaching business people how to be better business people so they can create bigger and more profitable companies.
You started the brand actionCoach. Why the name and what is it and how does this work?
Well, I started the company actionCoach now 24 years ago, 24 years. And the aim is to help people take action in their business. So we coach business people. A lot of people understand consulting, but you know, to have a mentor, to have a coach, to have someone who's there with you every week who helps you grow your business, who has a system to grow your business, is really what actionCoach is all about.
At what age did you start all of this? Because you have written 15 books, you had 4 bestsellers. So at what age did you actually start this?
You know, I started in business myself at age 15, and so I've always been in business myself. So I started teaching around age 21 when, because I was a young man and successful, people said, how did you do what you do? So they asked me to go and teach, and I fell in love with teaching, hence I started actionCoach. And today it's probably the proudest company I have because we get to help people all over the world build more jobs and create bigger companies.
There are a lot of business out there struggling. How can we change this? And what steps do we have to take to be successful?
All business growth starts with education. It starts with learning because when a business owner stops learning, the business stops growing. The moment you don't know what to do, the business can't grow anymore. So most businesses struggling is because maybe they don't know enough about sales, or maybe they don't know enough about marketing, or managing their staff, or hiring good staff. So there's education for that, and that's why I write books and teach seminars. But that also comes back to women, my team here in Bonaire, doing the coaching with business people, actually working with business owners and helping them. See, what coaching is all about is not just saving a dying business, it's about taking a good business and making it great.
What makes you stand apart from all of the other businesses?
Well, I think first and foremost, I'm not a motivator, I'm an educator. See, I found out if you motivate people, they just do crazy things faster. You know, if you educate them, they do the right things, and that's a really important part. But the biggest thing that makes actionCoach stand out is 24 years of success with business owners. Because when you get success, when a business owner grows their business, then they refer you to others, and that's what we see happening here on Bonaire. And now that we've been here a couple of years, and this is my first trip here, I've been to Curaçao and Aruba a couple of times before, but my first trip here, I'm astounded by how many great businesses there are, and I can't wait to help them all learn. The message is really simple. When you grow businesses, you grow jobs, and if you grow jobs, you grow the economy. So our goal here as a company for actionCoach is to help Bonaire grow more businesses, create more entrepreneurs, create more people that want to work for themselves, and create great jobs for everybody else. And you know, everybody can succeed in business if they learn how. But unfortunately, most people go into business and they don't learn how to build a great business. They learn how to be good at the trade or the job of the business. They're a great hairdresser and they think that means they'll succeed at business. Our job, teach them how to be great business people so they can succeed at any and every business.